last thing of the week. Okay, this is Friday. You show me your lines and spaces going up and down, and you showed me your staffs. Great, absolutely wonderful. Now, the last thing is making a G clef. Boy, this drives people crazy. This drives people nuts. So we're gonna just take a day, an easy day to do it, and check it out. Now, to make a G clef is really quite easy. You want to think about it, and it's just an art thing. But I told you guys that every line and every space is a different key in the keyboard. But where are we going to be in the keyboard? Well, the clef answers it. Now, if it was today, we wouldn't even bother with some fancy clef. We would just put G or F or something like that. But in this case, it's a little bit different. Okay, so um, back in the day, they wanted everything to be really pretty and ornate. And so that's what they did. But there's still an evolution here, and there's still a way to do it. Okay, now the very first thing you want to do is we're going to deal with the staff. So, excuse me. So anyway, we're going to deal with the staff. So boys and girls, the staff is all of it. So the clef is going to think about the clef as going over the top of it. Okay, and so on your paper, what I'm going to ask you to do is to make a staff. Now I'm going to have a different cut. I'm going to be going back and forth between them. This is what I'm asking you to do. Okay, take a paper and make 5 lines and 4 spaces and make a staff. 3, 4, 5. Now the clef actually starts above the staff and ends up below it. It's just the way they did it. Okay, so if you have your homework, you're going to take a line and make it above and below, just like that. All right, now the next thing we want to do is make a P out of it. Now to make a P out of it, really simple. Start at the top and make a P. All right, now it looks kind of funky. That's okay. This drives people mad crazy to do these, but don't worry about it. Now the next thing you want to do is take that P and make a D out of it. So here's my line, and we go around it like this. Okay, I call it a flat 8. A lot of people call it whatever they want to, but there's a little D and a P together. Now the next thing you want to do is bring it around and loop around that line number 2. And that's a G clef. That's it. Now, what I would like you to do is 4 more of them. So I would like you to see this. They don't have to be perfect. Now remember, I've been making them for like 40 years, so I better make them good. All right? But that's kind of what I'm looking for. If you could do that for Friday, I would be a happy camper. Okay? And then we're going to have the pieces we need to start naming these notes. Alright, y'all. Very easy today. Remember, start with a line, and then you're going to make a P out of it, and then you're going to make a D out of it, and then you're going to make a circle wrap around line number 2. Real easy. Alright, guys. Have a good one.